What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about another Labor Day deal. So this is from a brand called Fanttik. I've actually done a review of one of their products in the past, and that was this battery powered tire inflator. Now guys, I told you in the video, I love this thing, and I can't talk highly enough of it. The tires on my car are a very, very low profile, and I constantly get TPMS sensor indicators on my dash, and I hate it. I'll either fill them up or let air out as needed and check it with a typical tire gauge, and it seems like it'll be okay, but then the next day the light comes back on and it absolutely drives me crazy. But with this little guy, because you're able to set it to the PSI that you want, turn it on, and it fills it up to that exact point, I haven't had any more issues with my car. I absolutely love this thing. And today we're going to be talking about another product from Fanttik, and that is their T8 Apex jump starter. Now Fanttik did reach out to me, and they are giving us an additional $35 off of this unit. You can either buy it on their direct website or on Amazon. So make sure to check this out, guys. The sale is going to be running until September 15th, but just go get it now so you don't run the risk of them selling out. Now let's talk about some of the features of this unit. Okay guys, so the one I actually have is the deluxe package that comes with a carrying case. Now I don't think that the coupon code that they gave me works for the deluxe package. You can try it, but the coupon code is just IMJOSHV because it is the T8 Apex tire inflator. I'll link that in the description for you guys below as well. But if you do want the one with the case, if you buy it on their site, they have a special running on there. It's not quite as big of a discount, but you're still getting a really good discount. The case is absolutely fantastic, guys, and we're gonna jump into that here shortly. But back to the T8, this thing is absolutely incredible. It'll jumpstart vehicles up to a 6-liter diesel engine, which takes a lot to actually crank over. So this thing's a absolute beast. On top of that, guys, you actually have a little port on the back end here. So this is actually where you can charge it, and also where you can attach whatever charging cord you need, and then you can charge your phones, your batteries, all that kind of stuff from this unit, which is absolutely fantastic. Now another added benefit, other than being able to jump start your car with this little unit and also be able to charge all your devices, is when you turn it on, right, we'll just hold that button, do a little long press, it tells me I am at 100% capacity here. When I opened it up and took it out of the packaging, it was at about 82%. Charged it for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes to get to full power, and it will hold now for a significant amount of time. I've used this jump starter before where I had it charged up, didn't just let it sit for a couple months, had to jump start a battery, and I was able to do it, no problem. So it holds the charge, I don't know how long, but very long. So on top of that, guys, once the unit is powered on, you also have a little switch right here, a little button that you can press, and it is a flashlight. So really cool there for safety, being able to kind of inspect things. If your car's dead at night, you can use this first to kind of figure out where you need to connect your jumper cables. Now if you hit the button again, it goes to a flashing indicator, which is nice. Hit it again, and you get red flashing. So if you're stuck on the side of the road, your battery is not the issue, but your car won't start, you can put this back there, keep you and your family safe. Now for me as a professional car detailer, again, I do most of my work mobile, I'm constantly at customers' houses, and I don't know what the condition of their battery is when I'm detailing their car. But while you're detailing, you have the doors open for a good amount of time, and sometimes I've had it happen to me where you're all done with the car, you go to start it, dead. And there's nothing worse than that. So I carry this little unit around with me all the time. That way I can actually get the car jump started, then let the alternator take over, charge that battery back up, and then we're good. But I can leave the customer knowing that their car will start. Now, depending on how dead your battery is, this little unit actually has an override. So sometimes if your battery's really dead, I think it's under like 30% or something like that, typically this will flash and say it can't do anything. Just because the battery is too drained. This thing actually has a feature where you can click it in and have it override that system, giving it max power to the battery so you can start the car. Now let's go ahead and do an unboxing real quick. Now again, guys, this is the deluxe package with the case. The case is phenomenal, and we'll jump into that as well. So right off the bat, guys, we open up the box, and here is the case. You can see the branding, the packaging, everything is super, super premium with this kit. When we open this up, we see the charger itself right off the bat, and it also has a little yellow tag there giving the instructions on how to do that override that I was talking about for super dead batteries. Again, right under this little mesh netting here, you do have two different types of cables, for your charging needs. And these cables are absolutely fantastic, guys. They seem to be a little bit thicker of a gauge than most. I don't know, it's just a nice coating and they feel thicker. They are branded, which is cool. I don't know if that'll focus for you, but they are branded. And then it comes with this little, it feels like a little leather strap. It's not, I don't think, I don't know for sure, I guess, but just a little strap with a nice little button closure to keep everything nice and secure and closed up. So again, just these little small details that they put in place on this jump starter really goes to show that, you know, like if they're putting this much quality and details on the little accessories, just goes to show that the product's actually going to be really good as well. Now we go into the other side of the unit, and it has a little Velcro tab. Just undo that, pull the little Fanttik tag there, open it up, and here are your jumper cables. Now the jumper cables just install on the opposite side. I showed you where the charging port was. On the opposite side of that, where the flashlight end is, you just pop that open, and here is your connection point for the jumper cables. So you just want to make sure one of them is a circle and the other one is a circle with a little straight edge on it. Just make sure to line those up, and you're good to go. Now outside from that, there's another little section here. Everything's really nice and dialed in and just custom fit for this unit. But you open that up and you're gonna get a small little charger for your car, which is nice, so you can charge it on the road while you're going places. And then you also get a charging block, which again, fantastic quality of a charging block here, guys. Really reminds me of the older Apple laptop plugins, where this piece folds in. The new ones don't do that on Apple's products for some reason, and it bugs me. I loved this feature. But anyways, I just want to show you the accessories that it comes with. Now let's go ahead and jump over to my car. Back here, as you can see, this is my 1969 Ford Fairlane, and that poor little car doesn't get driven nearly as much as it should. I don't know for a fact right now if the battery's dead or not. It probably is. I haven't driven it in a good month and a half, and it just sits, and with the extreme weather changes, it's been really hot lately, it dies. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood and I'll show you guys how to hook this thing up. Okay guys, so it's very, very simple. I have the unit here. I'm gonna turn it on. 100% just so we can see, and there is a safety. I don't test it that much, but there is a safety where you can touch these together even when this is on, and you're not going to zap yourself. So, and it's supposed to not cause an issue. Again, it's on and I'm doing it and it's not causing an issue, but just don't do it if you don't have to. So I'm going to go ahead and connect the positive and negative to the battery. Good to go. And as you guys can see, it says start, meaning it's ready to be started. And it is also telling me it's a 12-volt battery that we are connected to. So I'm going to go ahead and fire it up. And it's as simple as that. Again, you simply connect the jump starter, turn your car on, come back around, disconnect the jump starter, and you're good to go. Now I covered a jump starter like this in the past, and that thing was fantastic as well. So if you guys have that one, it's a great unit. It's just with Fanttik, they kind of exceed my expectations with the quality of components, all those little details, and the fact that I use their tire inflator, and I'm blown away and super, super happy with that thing. So make sure to check out the link in the description below, guys, to get this at $35 off. Again, if you want the deluxe package or to combine it with the tire inflator, then those will be listed on their personal website, and there is a discount there, just not the $35 for just the single unit. They're actually more dollar per amount off, but a lower percentage, if you know what I mean. So that's it, guys. I hope that video helps you. Go check these things out. But that's it for today's video. So please make sure to like the video. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks again.